Croeso I Ysgol Bywyd. Dewch am dro gyda ni o gwmpas y campws.
Welcome to Ysgol Bywyd. Come for a walk round with us.
Rydym yn darparu amrywiaeth o bygiau fel Saesneg, iechyd gofal, TG a drama.
We provide a range of different subjects including English, IT, health and social and drama.
I study DT. The teachers here at Bywyd are phenomenal, and DT has one of the highest employability rates for postgraduate students in the UK.
I guess you're wondering why sixth form and what does sixth form have to offer to me? Sixth form has opened a lot of opportunities to me, and it's allowed me to work on the subjects that I find I like best, but more in depth. I feel as though sixth form is an important step in your career, as it's an in-between between GCSEs and university, and it's a way to familiarise the kind of learning and teaching style that you'll get. It can be quite shocking at first going into sixth form with a lot of work that is put upon you, but you get used to it as you go along, and it's a lot more independent, but you get a lot more one-on-one time with your teacher, which is very important. It's more like a lecture rather than a lesson.
Ers symud Ysgol Bywyd, fi wedi mwynhau drama a mi falch mor i wedi cael cyfle i bod yn grys.
Ysmydes i yn broteifi i astudio Chweched yn Bywyd. Mae yna amrywiaeth gwahanol o pwnciau'n cael eu cynnal ac mae cymuned hyfryd i gael yma.
Mae gennym gyfleusterau perfformio gwych gan gynnwys llwyfan a system sain proffesiynol.
We've got various performing facilities, including a stage and professional sound system. Mae gan Bywyd technoleg gwyddonol o radd flaenaf.
Bywyd has the newest scientific technology.
The school provides specialist equipment for us to do any scientific practical.
Yn y corridor yma, allwch astudio pynciau Cymraeg a deiryddiaeth. Mae'r Gymraeg yn ethos bwysig iawn I ni yma ym Bywyd.
Down this corridor, you can study the subjects Welsh and Geography. The ethos of Welsh is very important for us here in Bywyd. Mae gen i nifer o cyfleusterau cerddorol yn ei gafael.
We have a range of musical facilities at our reach.
Yn y Chweched, cewch nifer o gyfleoedd I cynrychioli'r ysgol mewn amryw o gampau.
In the sixth form, you'll have a range of opportunities to represent the school in different sporting activities.
In sixth form, we have many sporting opportunities, and I have been playing for the school sixth form hockey team as well as the rugby team, in which we play against other schools, and I'm also taking part in helping with the primary sector and involving with sports, assisting them and helping them do sports lessons.
Mae Chweched dosbarth Ysgol Bywyd yn rhoi llawer o cyfleoedd I ni yn y Chweched dosbarth fel helpu mas yn ysgol fach gyda plant ifanc a hefyd helpu gyda gwersi chwaraeon lawr yn ysgol fach hefyd.
Mae gan Ysgol Bywyd cyfleusterau chwaraeon heb ei ail.
Ysgol Bywyd has an unmatched sporting facilities.
Bywyd ysgol cynhwysol iawn ac yn darparu adran sgiliau bywyd.
Ysgol Bywyd is a very inclusive school and provides the life skills department. Rydym yn falch iawn o gael peirianneg o radd flaenaf.
We are proud of having varied and sophisticated machinery.
I am currently in the DT department in the fashion and textiles area. One of the main features that you gain from being in sixth form is the flexibility. You get your free lessons, which you can spend doing your work or other leisure activities. You get a lot more extracurricular activities that the school offer and you can look into yourself. Sixth form has allowed me to explore different areas which I am interested in and almost dip my toes into different areas and not have too much pressure put upon me. And the teachers here are extremely respectful and they will help you no matter what. And as fellow students, the year above you, we can help you as much as you want. I've gained a lot of good relationships with my friends, with my teachers. We are all extremely, we're like one big family.
I like how supportive the teachers are if you need help.
I like the freedom to be able to go to town and get bunches and other things you may need.
I enjoy the independence that we didn't really get in the years below. and how we're treated more as adults than pupils now because we're here by choice.
Dyma'r llyfrgell i gall fyfyrwyr ddod I weithio yn dawel yn ystod eu gwersi digyswllt.
Here is the library where students can come here and work quietly during their non-contact lessons. Mae bwydyr bont yn gwneud bwydydd iachus yn ystod y dydd. Mae clwb brecwas yn cael ei gynnal yn boreol, a gall y Chweched gael ymrywiaeth ddiol yn bont. Gall myfyrwyr hefyd fynd yn drefn am bwyd.
Bwydyr Bont serves a variety of healthy foods during the day. There is welcome for students to attend the morningly breakfast clubs. Students can also have a range of hot drinks available. Students can go out to town for food as well. Mae ochr oer y ffreutur ar gael I fyfyrwyr ei ddefnyddio yn ystod eu gwersi digyswllt yn ystod y bore.
The canteen is available for students to use during their non-contact lessons in the morning.
Beth I ti'n fyta amser egwyl yn y canteen?
Pizza. Toast. Bacon roll.
Yes, the roasted dinner is great. I personally don't really go to the canteen as we have the option to go to town, which again adds to that freedom aspect that we now get.
Am unrhyw gefnogaeth am unrhyw beth yn ymwneud ag Chweched, dyma lle mae pennaeth y Chweched Miss Ellen Jenkins yn byw.
For any support concerning sixth form, this is where Miss Ellen Jenkins is located.
One of the best things about sixth form for me are the extracurricular activities, such as the paddlers trip we went on, that really helped build on my skills in teamworking skills, my skills in the probably making new friendships, and it really helped bring the sixth form together as one.
I think one of the best things about being a member of the sixth form is the opportunity to take a leading role in some of the clubs they have. So, for example, I'm a mentor in the Dungeons and Dragons Club, where I teach them how to play tabletop role-playing games. And I'm also a mentor in the School Report Club, where I show them how to write articles or make short films. Chweched offers a ton of opportunities like this, not just from the nerdier side of things, but also to sports-related or science-related activities, which are all really great to put on a CV or job application.
Gobeithio'n eich gweld chi mewn diwrnod pontio Chweched Ysgol Chweched yn y dyfodol agos.
We hope to see you in the Ysgol Chweched Sixth Form Transition Day in the near future.